Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with something totally new, and I'm pretty excited about it. So something that is pretty popular, and I was honestly inspired by, which it's weird because it was an older podcast from like earlier this year. Lipstick Nick. She hasn't uploaded a new podcast in like a while, but there was always a segment for like the guests on the podcast, like what's in your bag. Well, during quarantine, I realized, oh my god, like I have like a bunch of old products that are at work, that are in my purses, stuff like that, I just, in my travel bag, which fuck me, I need to get that out. Shit. What's a video without me being like, I'm ready, I'm not ready. Anyway, with all this shit going on, I'm like, oh my freaking god, I'm like, I want to just kind of open up all my bags, and I know like the travel bag stuff, like I need to get the stuff out and use them before they get like super old, because it's not like we're traveling or anything. So yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right into it, and I will go and get my travel bag in between takes, so no worries there. I'm just gonna start with bag one. This is absolutely ridiculous. Judgment-free zone. Okay, this is my regular purse that I haven't been carrying on me in a long time. So, honestly, how far deep do I want to go on this? I was just honestly thinking about pulling out my makeup products, but I have like weird things in here, you know, my ponytail and some rose quartz, some notepads and coupons. Ha ha ha! An IPSY bag. Let's see what's in there. Oh, wine opener, a pad, and some pills, and a lighter. No, I don't smoke. However, I get asked all the time if I have a fucking light, and I decided, okay, some more pads. But anyway, I decided that I've always kept a freaking lighter on me because of that, and it comes in handy and people appreciate it. A big wallet, pen. My missing headband. I knew I had a black one. And look at this cute tape measure! Oh, it's a keychain and a tape measure. What is this, Indian in the cupboard? Like, whatever. I don't know. A Shure pen from the seminar I went to. We're almost to the beauty products. Got one more little zipper to open up, and yes, I knew. I thought I was low on lipsticks. Nope. So that one's basically empty. So, lip products, anyone? This is the Soothing Touch lip balm, which I was honestly looking for that a long time ago. I have a Stila lip liner, Stay All Day, in Zinfandel. I was literally looking for this like the other day. This is so ridiculous. I have a Bite lip crayon and glaze. Makeup Forever liquid lip. I don't know what color that is. Of course, it's another nude. My MAC Patrick Star Mama Star, which I used Sweet Mama Star on my lips today. I have a Bare Minerals sample lipstick in Mantra, so that's cool. A fragrance by Avon. It's called Be Fun. Alright, IPSY bag. Let's go. Let's see. Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, sage, and orange blossom. Small little one. I have it Bye Bye Redness powder. It is a pressed powder. I totally forgot that I had that. I have a makeup brush that's angled and whatnot. Oh my god! I knew I didn't throw that away. I have a Physicians Formula lipstick, and it's called Nude Chair. Like, the fuck is that? Another hair tie. I have 3 Neutrogena makeup removal pads that are the single, like, individually wrapped packets. This is the purse that I've been carrying around for a little while, and Blistex keys. Wow, part of a broken hair clip. I guess I can throw that away. More Blistex, and something from my IPSY bag, the Hannah Lay Kui Island Mint lip balm. I don't know why the fuck I need 3 goddamn lip balms in that. That's 75 cents, and oh, I got $1 in quarters. Holy shit. I got some drink chips to a bar that, you know, is clearly opening so soon. Aha, my Sol de Janeiro. I got Brazilian Touch hand cream. I totally fucked that up. My bad. I have a shopping list. One of those reusable masks. Tiny pads and another hair tie. Tiny pad. Other wallet, because, you know, Jesus Christ. Another pen. And my cloth mask that has this cool little gadget to like stretch it around my fucking fat head so I don't have to wear it on my ears. At least it's cute. I don't think y'all are ready for this. This is stuff from work. A purple scarf. Oh my god, plum peaches, those are little pineapples and shakes. This has been missing for weeks.
Oh, where was it?
It's in my bag. I have 3 bags in there that I want to talk about. This little thing is full of pads. I got some pens and a Sharpie, Another one of those little masks, eye drops, band-aid, chapstick, electrical tape, a thank you card, a tuner. Okay, a note from church. She is empty as a motherfucker. The last few things are going to be my travel bags and then these 3 like little work bags, and I'm gonna clean up this area to make room for more shit, if that makes sense. So, alrighty, so this is a bag that was at work and it's just different makeup products basically for like really long days, touching up the face, totally redoing a face, whatever. I was, you know, set. Ooh, she's old. This is going right into my empties. This is the Essence I Heart Extreme Volume Mascara. Ooh, another Maybelline Define-A-Line. Ah, if you remember from my February IPSY where I was drunk as a I was using the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation and I dumped it on the floor. Ah, yes, another Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. So as soon as I finish the other one, I'm going to try and finish that one because Jesus Christ. Ooh, little compacts. What we got here? Man, a shimmery bronzer, which we are in the season for that right now. It is the Ulta Beauty Baked Bronzer. I don't think there's a freaking shade name. But anyway. And then by Pure, I have a 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup. I probably should use that. I do have pan. This was honestly perfect for when I was like doing touch-ups, like instead of like the loose powder. I've been milking the shit out of that one. The Morphe 9C eyeshadow palette. This will also be featured in my 3 Looks 1 palette at some point. This was an IPSY product from I don't know when, but it's by Ofra. It's a Madison Miller. It's a blush and highlight palette. I really love this. The one highlight that's in here that apparently I can take out, I wish I had a bronzer that was like that size so I can have a bronzer, blush, and highlight because that would just make life so much easier. Then the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. So this will also be featured in my 3 Looks 1 palette series at some point. The whole point of having those 2 palettes at work, because they weren't palettes that I missed here, but they were like kind of dark enough to where if I just added like one color and a little bit of shimmer just to freshen or whatever, it worked really well. These are brushes that I kept at work. Although I would randomly bring them home and wash them. I will empty this out, but I have some like face and powder brushes, and I have just a few eyeshadow brushes. The one is actually the double-ended Anastasia. So those will be put in my dirty brush pile to get washed and put into the rotation, which is really exciting. Why is this so complicated? Why do I have to come up with ideas? I hope you really like this video because I thought I was prepared for this and I'm fucking not. I'm just creating more problems. Time to make room for the big fucker that was in my desk at work. Random fact, this used to be my main travel bag where I would keep stuff, extra stuff ready to go to where like if I wanted to like up and leave for like a night or 10, I could without having to like think about like, oh my god, do I need this? Do I need that? It was all right there. That's not the stuff that I have in here. This is all the stuff that I had at work. For example, my Avon Footworks foot spray. Really long days. Hello, stinky feet. Spray, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Comb. Hairspray, Tresemme, toothbrush, and toothpaste. I will probably just wash out the casing and throw the toothbrush away. Some floss. I have MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the coconut. Oh, that's good. Dove underarm and underboob spray. Ooh, another fragrance. I guess I'm not that low on fragrances. That's good to know. Lucky Me by Maurice's. This was actually from Jessica. Old Faithful here. Equate makeup wipes. This is Avon Footworks deodorizing foot powder. So like when, I don't know, I would pour it in my shoes and stuff when I would like change my socks and it just kind of, I don't know. Oh my god, I have Listerine. You know why I have this? So when I was in the show Lend Me a Tenner last year, I would eat these before I would go on stage because, you know, I had to like kiss people and shit, so. You're welcome, guys, if you're watching this. I have apparently some weird headbands. I'm gonna try these actually. I don't know why the fuck were they at work? Love and Sunshine, Bath and Body Works. What up? Hair Tie City, more bobby pins. Oh, an allergy pill. Oh, some hair, wow. Secret Clear Outlast. And then I have a 100% pure lipstick in Cassia. Alright, so the last thing is the ready to go travel bag. This bag is I believe it's a Mary Kay bag. I want to say Jessica gave it to me like a million years ago because I think she used to like either do Mary Kay or she bought it or I don't have my facts straight, but it's super cool. You open it up, I tucked a sheet mask in there, but there's two sides to it. The one side is removable, but I have the Tula Skincare Major Glow blah blah blah. Tim and I did go to his parents' cottage, and I thought, like, oh, I'm gonna get a lot of sun, I might want to do that. I didn't even shower, y'all. Like, I was freaking scuzzing it, so because I do want to use this like after some like sun. I have a Secret Outlast deodorant. No, it's not. It's Luxe Lavender. I have a toothbrush, some toothpaste, bedhead, mini master, whatever, freaking hairspray, Q-tips, hair ties. Why are these Q-tips loose though, is what I want to know, because I actually have like a little thing that holds them, so not sure what the fuck is going on there. I have a Tresemme shampoo. This is a little travel size, and I do randomly fill this back up, so I am going to just go ahead and keep that in there. I have a Bath & Body Works shower gel. Like, this is still going to be fine. I'm not worried about this at all. It's still pretty full. Yeah, this is a little thing for the Q-tips. Wow, more fucking hair ties. You know, at one point I remember being like, where the fuck did all my hair ties go? And I bought some. Apparently I needed to do this way sooner and like clean out my bags. I have a razor that looks brand fucking new. Okay, cool. And the shampoo. I have this Floral Breeze Lovely Blossoms Body Lotion. Oh wow, apparently it's downpouring outside. Cool. This came with some like bath sets my parents got me, and I don't know, I like the size of it. Now that I have a couple smaller sizes though, and they're newer, I might transfer those to that bag. Now all of this shit I'm gonna be going ahead and using. Is that what I want to say? I don't know what I want to say. I have a First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream Moisturizer situation. This was like redeemable points from IPSY kind of situation. And this was another, I think this was from an IPSY flash sale. This is Verify Power Tread Glycogen stuff. What? I can't like say these big words on here. Tim might have to say it just to make me look really dumb. Which I'm okay with because it's funny. It's a facial serum. And let's see, I have an eye cream, which is perfect timing because my other eye cream is actually about to go out, and I actually don't know how much fucking shit's left in this one. Oh, this one is apparently almost gone too. And then I have the, Tim, read this word, the philotalogain, whatever, the big word.
Oh, phytoglycogen.
I was not even fucking close. Wow. I have a moisturizer, the IT Confidence in a Cream, anti-aging, whatever. I love this stuff. And then I have the Tula Skincare Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. So yeah, plan is to use up all of those products and kind of resituate those bags. Some of those products are definitely older, and when it comes to, you know, putting my travel bag back together, I'll do that when I need to, and hopefully I have everything that I need at that point. Anyway, so definitely a different type of video. I hope you enjoyed this. I am wondering, whenever I might, at some point, this might be like a few months from now or something, so a lot of times I kind of try and declutter. I usually declutter as I go, but I'm wondering if I should really just like do a purge at some point, because I have a feeling I'm gonna need to in like a couple months. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in. I'm not really sure. Or, you know, maybe like a full-on inventory video. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.